The Monkeys That Escaped from the Zoo, Part 2, written and illustrated by Pheonix, Echevarria, and Jordan Jones.
Ring, ring. Hello, this is the guard from the zoo. I'm missing a couple of monkeys.
That party was awesome! No, it was bananas. Bananas. I'm hungry. To the grocery store. Ooh, ooh, bananas. Ooh, soda. Candy. Ooh, ooh, I have an idea. Kart races. You, me, now. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
Hey, this is the manager from the grocery store. I got a couple of monkeys racing carts in my parking lot. Oh, those stinking monkeys. I'll be there in a second. Where are those monkeys? They were just here. They were racing carts in the parking lot. I
If I
swear they
don't
were.
get
I
them
saw them
back,
with
I'm
my own
gonna
eyes. I
lose
don't
my
know where the
job.
heck they
Where
went.
the heck are
They
those
gotta be
stinking
somewhere around here.
monkeys?
We gotta get the monkeys. Ooh, we gotta get them. You know, guys. Gotta get the monkeys. Ooh, Bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S.